Merry Christmas. It's me, Santa Claus, and I'm here in the North Pole with my elves and my reindeer and that ho-ho-ho Mrs. Claus. We're hard at work making toys for Christmas, but you can help me out by letting me know what I can drop off at your house for Christmas this year. If you would like a wooden doll, say the word doll. If you would like a sweater, say the word sweater. Santa can't help but notice that you didn't make a selection. Why is that?
I want a whore.
Choices? Are you too good for a doll or a sweater?
Yes.
What the do you want for Christmas then, huh? I bet you'd like an iPod or a Nintendo Wii or an Xbox, wouldn't you, you greedy little Do you know how hard it is to make something like that? I've already electrocuted 4 elves trying to replicate that damn iPhone. 4 elves! These are not skilled technicians. They're basically semi-retarded midgets in green tights with a helium addiction. And here you are, too good for a doll or a sweater, wanting me to risk the lives of my retarded elves? Have you forgotten the true meaning of Christmas? Well, guess what? Now you get nothing. You can all kiss Santa's frosted and rosy red ass and go to hell. You can all go straight to hell.
Sorry about that. Santa's got a little temper, and I should know. I'm one of his elves. Anyway, regardless of what you get for the holidays, here's something you definitely need to check out. If you've ever gotten a psychic reading, or even thought about getting advice from a psychic, you need to check out Personal Psychic. Questions about work or school, money or relationships, you can now get advice from a real live psychic directly from your phone, as you can text back and forth with a real live psychic.
This is going forever.
Subscription charge to wireless bill available at participating carriers. Must be 13 years of age with consent. $9.99 a month for 5 minutes. $1.99 each time thereafter. Other fees apply. Terms at GimmeAstro.com. Entertainment purposes only. Text stop to quit.
Press the star key now to start your text messaging conversation with your personal psychic. Seriously.
I don't know.
Press the star key now.
Need a little pick-me-up every day? Sign up for free jokes. Send his text messages to your cell every day. Press 9 now to receive free jokes with Limbo.com.
Call this number. Do it.